Hey Siri,
Yes, how can I help you?
play Spice from Jamaica.
Okay.
More Spice, the queen of dancehall from Jamaica.
It's so funky, only.
It's Spice, the queen from Jamaica. Came here, I'm stacking up paper. Chasing my dreams, I came to Atlanta. My success is bringing up hater. I'm the queen of a whole country. And enough of them gonna grudge me. All because them can't touch me. But me tell them already bite me, munch me. Cause I came to the A and I leveled up. Bank book numbers, I run it up. Real estate, I doubled up. Millions keep on going up. That's why I get scrutinized, dehumanized. I get criticized, antagonized to be minimized. So my reputation get compromised when I analyze and I realize they believe the lies. I just ostracize. Some friendships get circumcised. When I see them, I go anti-clockwise. Hold up, I'm not done. Let me talk my shit just for fun. Cause a lot of these bitches be thinking in their head that they be cause I Insta. Take them outside of Atlanta, now one fan asks for a picture. I'm globally known as black as I am, more popular, got more streamer. More success, I'm more richer, more accomplished, they could never. Pretty black bitch with my dark skin, and I'm gonna say